Shoot me.
3, 2, 1.
Hi, welcome back to Ryan's Cutting Edge. Today, we're going to be recapping WrestleMania 35. So today, I have two special guests in this truck. Today, I have Shay on this side, Justin,
Hi.
John Cam, and Dave.
And Jasper's video.
And Jasper is like my cameraman. So,
Excuse you.
so today we'll be recapping
WrestleMania
35. So last Sunday, WrestleMania was just awesome. So the highlights were Seth Rollins is a new Universal Champion.
Yes.
And then the highlights were Kofi Kingston is the new World Heavyweight Champion.
Yes. Finally, somebody put some sense into him.
So remember that prediction between Ronda, Becky, and Charlotte Flair?
Becky won.
So Becky Lynch won both championship belts, Raw and SmackDown. Alexa Bliss she hosted.
Hulk Hogan.
And Hulk Hogan showed up.
Yes.
Hogan showed up.
And Batista lost to Triple H.
Oh yeah, you won't believe this. Triple H ripped that nose ring out of Batista's nose.
And then
With the nose pile.
And then he used channel locks for his hands.
Yes,
It was a brutal match. I
tell you.
I
watched it as well.
So the attendance at the MetLife Stadium.
82,000, I think 265.
82,265 in attendance at MetLife Stadium. So jumping on to Monday Night Raw was from at the Barclays Center in New York. So we're gonna kick off by saying The Undertaker showed up last Monday night.
Yeah.
And then Rollins came out, and then winner takes all for the Universal and World Heavyweight Championship. The bar interfered that day.
Yay!
And then Finn Balor. Oh, Finn Balor's a new Continental Champion. So he beat Sami Zayn.
And Bobby Lashley.
Yes, Justin. And so that was the highlights, and and then Raw was pretty good.
Yeah.
It was the best Raw I ever saw. So anyway.
Oh yeah, there's some bragging going on too with Corbin. He's saying something how.
Kurt Angle had his last match at WrestleMania, and then and then also a new guy came out, was Alistair Sullivan.
Oh, Lars Sullivan.
Sullivan, yeah.
Yeah.
And attacked Kurt Angle.
Yeah, and Corey Graves was so happy about that, which I don't get.
Really?
Yeah, I know.
And then, so anyway, Shay, what's going on with SmackDown?
SmackDown, as usual, from Brooklyn, and Kofi Kingston and the New Day brought out, they celebrated Kofi's WWE Championship victories with the real belt. Real WWE Championship.
Yeah, the real belt, yeah.
Yeah. And, they had 2 platters of pancakes.
What was that, 2 platters of pancakes?
And then...
Why would you do that?
Yeah.
How?
And then the bar and...
A cooking pancake, Cat?
And then the bar and Drew McIntyre teamed up.
Oh, and then Samoa Joe.
Oh yeah, Samoa Joe
faced
Braun Strowman.
Braun Strowman that night on Tuesday. Oh, I'm so happy that that Rollins is the new Universal Champion. Yay!
Yes! Yes!
So,
Oh yeah.
anyway.
Oh yeah, Shane McMahon won because the Miz used a Wi-Fi connector as a weapon.
Yeah, the Miz lost, by the way.
Yes,
so,
he did. He
But
got-
that was a good thing
and
because there's
he
no
got
way.
disqualified too.
Well, he should have, but you know there was false
Oh.
count anywhere. You
John-
know-
Yeah, he does.
John Cena showed up too, Jasper.
Yeah! You can see me.
From World Life. So, anyways,
Run out of time.
guys, I have some very sad news to say.
What?
This will be our last time in this truck for
Sorry,
this.
Chuck.
So Jasper said we're gonna put this truck in the
Garage.
put it in the Hall of Fame. So yeah, I'm pretty sad about it. So anyways, yeah. So at a time, and next week, Raw and SmackDown gonna have the Raw shake-up next week,
in Montreal. baby.
Montreal, Canada.
And
So-
I hope so that nobody roasts the Montreal Canadiens.
So anyways,
Oh, should I take like some videos of the guys like about the truck? Any?
yeah, sure.
Hey Dave, what do you think of the truck?
I miss it.
You gonna miss it?
Yeah.
See, how about you, Cam? Any messages to the truck?
I miss it, baby.
Here's sweetheart, eh?
Yeah,
How about you, John?
Gonna miss the
me too. I miss it, baby.
Oh, and the thing, Jasper, I gotta mention about is the Hardy Boys are the new SmackDown Tag Team Champions,
and Braun Strowman is the Andre the Giant Memorial Battle Royal
and
champion.
Kamala's the she won her women's thing as well too. Yay, Kamala!
Yeah.
So,
Come on, look.
as Mr. Cameron, Justin, my man over here,
Hi. Bye.
Shay, my friend, John, Cam, Dave,
We are the bar.
Jasper.
Peace.
Ready, guys?
We don't set the bar, we are the bar, fella. If you smell what the Rock
I'll be like
is
this, Stephanie.
cooking.
Follow.
Okay, bye, truck.